Bhupen Hazarika was a remarkable man whose music and creativity inspired many people across India and beyond. He was born to a large family with 10 brothers and sisters. His father, Nilakanta, was a teacher, and his mother, Shantipriya, loved traditional Assamese music. They were key influences in Bhupen's life. From a young age, Bhupen was surrounded by music and culture. His mother introduced him to Assamese songs and folk tales, sparking his lifelong love for music. Growing up in Tezpur, Dibrugarh, and Guwahati, Bhupen's hometowns were filled with creativity and arts. He was lucky enough to meet well-known writers and musicians who inspired him even more. His talent shined brightly, and at just 10 years old, Bhupen recorded his first song at the All India Radio, a big step for a young boy. Later, Bhupen traveled far from home to study at Columbia University in New York. While in America, he learned about the civil rights movement and met Paul Robeson, a singer and activist who influenced Bhupen's ideas about music and society. Bhupen lived an intellectual and artistic lifestyle. He cherished his Assamese roots, often wearing traditional clothing even when he was in Bollywood. He loved poetry, books, and the simple joys of music. As a person, Bhupen was known for being humble and wise. He wrote songs about unity, togetherness, and overcoming challenges such as poverty and injustice. Bhupen married Priyangvada Patel, a lady he met in Kolkata, and they had a son named Tez. However, Bhupen and Priyangvada later parted ways, but Bhupen found a close friend and companion in Kalpana Lajmi, a filmmaker who stayed with him until the end of his life. No matter how famous Bhupen became, he remained true to his roots. He often returned to Assam and supported many local cultural events and causes. Bhupen Hazarika's story is one of music, culture, and a deep love for making the world a better place through his songs.